Ketua Serikat Pekerja di Israel yang mewakili ratusan ribu pekerja di seluruh sektor perekonomian menyerukan pemogokan pada Senin waktu setempat setelah jenazah 6 sandera Israel ditemukan tewas dari terowongan selatan Gaza.
Sementara itu, Presiden Amerika Serikat Joe Biden mengatakan Perdana Menteri Israel Benjamin Netanyahu tidak berbuat banyak untuk mengamankan kesepakatan gencatan senjata.
Beberapa layanan di Bandara Ben Gurion, pusat transportasi udara utama Israel, ditangguhkan sementara layanan bus dan kereta ringan di banyak wilayah dibatalkan atau hanya berfungsi sebagian pada Senin waktu setempat setelah Serikat Pekerja terbesar Israel melancarkan pemogokan umum untuk menekan Perdana Menteri Benjamin Netanyahu menyetujui kesepakatan yang dimediasi untuk menjamin pembebasan sandera Israel di Gaza. Para pekerja di pelabuhan komersial utama Israel, Haifa, juga melakukan pemogokan ketika sebagian rumah sakit beroperasi dan bank-bank tutup. Banyak bisnis di sektor swasta yang buka, namun pengusaha mengizinkan stafnya untuk ikut mogok kerja sehingga banyak layanan terganggu.
Unfortunately, we found out that our flight to Greece was postponed. Because of the strike there is in Israel, because of the kidnapped people who are held by the Hamas in Gaza. I feel that I support this strike because we really, all of the people in Israel want our friends and brothers to come back from Gaza and be free.
We are striking. It's a very hard word for physicians who are here to take care for the life and the well-being of our patient. But we are in a very, very hard situation now, we and all the country, because of the hostages. And yesterday it was maybe the hardest day because we have heard about the 6 hostages that were killed after suffering for 11 months. We can't stand aside, and that's why we came into a strike.
Sementara itu, Presiden Amerika Serikat Joe Biden berbicara kepada wartawan di Gedung Putih setelah pasukan Israel pada akhir pekan menemukan mayat 6 sandera, termasuk Hersh Goldberg Polin, seorang warga negara Amerika Israel berusia 23 tahun. Dari sebuah terowongan di Gaza yang dikatakan militan Hamas Palestina baru-baru ini membunuh mereka.
We're very close to that.
What makes you think that this deal will be successful in a way that the other deals were not?
Hope springs eternal.
Mr. President, do you think it's time for Prime Minister Netanyahu to do more on this issue? Do you think he's doing enough?
No.
Mr. President, what is your reaction to the demonstrations across Israel? What is your reaction to the demonstrations?
I'm going to get the detail when I walk in, and I'll talk to you after that, okay? Thank you.
Last best chance for a deal, Mr. President.
Do you have a message for the hostages' family, sir?
Yes, I've spoken to the American hostage. I spoke to his mom and dad, and we're not giving up. We're going to continue to push as hard as we can. Thank you.
Hal ini telah memicu kritik terhadap strategi gencatan senjata pemerintahan Biden di Gaza dan meningkatkan tekanan terhadap Netanyahu dari Israel untuk membawa pulang sandera yang tersisa. NTV melaporkan.